Hi, Thanvi. You're going to be so upset when you figure out why you missed these because it's really careless mistakes. So you can see here it says Tasty Bites Baking Company asked all students in the senior class at Pidgemont High, do you prefer chocolate or butterscotch? Tasty Bites. Everyone surveyed had to pick one of the two answers. 42% said they preferred chocolate. Okay, so you chose 42% of all students prefer chocolate, but it's not all students, it's the senior class. So that would not be true. Then this one is right, 42% of the students in the senior class. Well, that's what she chose. I mean, she asked the senior class. So that would be true, and this would be true. The reason this one is not is because it's all students, not just the senior class, which it specifies right here. The second one, in a survey based on a random sample of high school seniors at Whitney High School, 70% of those surveyed said they do more than 3 hours of homework per day. Okay, so when you're taking a sample, you're predicting about the population. Well, right here it says exactly 70%. Well, you can't say exactly because this is a prediction based on a random sample. So you're not asking everybody, so you don't know that it's exactly 70%. You're just estimating that. So instead of exactly, it's about 70% of seniors at Whitney do more than 3 hours of homework per day. And then you said exactly 30% of seniors do less than 3 hours. Well, you can't say exactly because, like I said, it's a random sample you're predicting. So if this had said about 30% of all seniors at Whitney do less than 3 hours, then that would be true. But since it says exactly, that is not correct. So B would be the only possible answer. And then the stem and leaf plot, the range. So the range is the largest minus the smallest. Well, the largest number right here is 95. That's your maximum. The smallest is 65. So it would be 95 minus 65. So this should be 30. I'm not sure how you even got 81. But anyway, range is maximum minus minimum, 95 minus 65. I'm going to send this to you. Let me know if you have any questions about it.